Today we have to create a function that return the printer errors. What is the case here? Well, the colors used by the printer are recorded in a control string, and it should contain letters from A to M. But if it contains letters that are not in that range, we are actually dealing with an error, and we should report that errors. How to go about this? Well, first of all, I want a control string with letters from the range from A to M. So what we can do is to write it out, but we can import a string as well with a module called string. And then we can use the following property, print string dot ASCII underscore lowercase. That will return a complete string. Yeah, here we have the whole alphabet, but we only want the letters from A till M, and we can use slicing for that. That would be the first characters. So from the first character till the 13th. There we go. Let's put it in a variable called control string. Control underscore string is equal to this string. Well, that's something to work with. Now we can iterate through the input string. So for letter in S, and then we have to find out which of the letters are actually not in control string. So if letter not in the control string, let's print it out. Letter. Yeah, that's actually right. X, Y, and W are not in control string, so we have to store these values somewhere. Let's create a new variable error. And that would be an empty string. And every time we deal an error, we should add this letter to the error string. At the end of the write, we can return the length of the error string. This should be 8 in this case, as you can see here. Run. Yeah. And now we have to return a string like this. On the one hand, we should return the errors, and on the other hand, the total characters of the input string. So a forward slash here, and then we have to return the length of the input string. Of course, we have to use an F string again. Yeah, that should work out. And there we go. Let's try it out. Yeah, that works like a charm. Hope this video has been useful. I hope to see you in another video. Ciao.